Welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make fried chicken. Who does not like fried chicken? All of us does, right? So let's look at the ingredients needed. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste. Okay, I use ginger garlic paste, so that the smell, the raw smell of the chicken or meat or even the fish, for it to go off. So I'm using about 1 tablespoon. This is about 1 kilo of chicken drumlets. Using about 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, this is freshly ground, and a pinch of turmeric. What we are going to do is going to add in all the ingredients to the chicken and mix it up, marinate it for at least about an hour or 2 hours. Then we shall just fry it. I'm not going to coat it with any corn flour or anything like that because I don't want to have a crispy layer. So I'm just going to deep fry it. Now let's look at mixing up of all the ingredients. We have filled up the pot with oil. We are now going to fry the chicken. The chicken will take about 15 minutes to fry. We shall fry it till it's golden brown. Later on, we will show you how the fried chicken looks. Enjoy yourself, have a good day, and subscribe to Bunny's Kitchen.